Right, bit of an update. Next day. So I just made this. So that's my wee spigot. So that's going to go there, inside that circle. Well, it'll be a bit of an inside, so they'll be just in that bit there, because that's the big opening. But I'm only going to put that size circle in there, obviously on the other side. But yeah, it'll just go in the middle of here, and then this will go on the other side, right in the middle, out there, and then this will fit nice and snugly inside that. So then that'll go in like that, and I can just run some tape around it or do whatever, and then that's how that'll stay. And then all I've got to do, so that'll be sealed complete to there. I just rivet it on through there and there, and then on the inside of here is just making this seal around the outside of here, on the unit. So I'll set this up, get that hole drilled, and then I'll weld it all up on the outside, get it all welded together, and I'll come back and show you how it goes. Alrighty. Right, just thought I'd give you a sort of a helpful tip. On here, I'm just going to draw a 25mm hole with a hole saw. But for anyone that uses these, normally they use them wrong, and I'll show you why. When you're drilling like a hole in here, lube's key, being as slow as possible is key, especially for hole saws, especially when you get into the bigger ones. But not just to drill flat, straight, but to drill on an angle. So you're only getting, once you've got that started, you're only cutting on one edge, not the whole circle. Otherwise what will end up happening is it'll just grab, and it just won't cut very well. You'll go through twice as quick by putting it on an angle. Just goes through nicely. Whereas if you do it the other way and go really flat, it tends just to bind up, and it'll just end up it'll just grab, and you'll just end up taking longer. But just thought I'd show you, just for something so you can see. But anyway, I'll carry on, and I'll come back when I've got a bit more done. Alright, quick update. So I've got my pipe in, so it's all looking pretty good under there. Can't really see down there, but anyway, that's all good. So that's right in the middle of where I want it. And then that's just my spigot sticking out of there. And then I've just basically taped it on. It doesn't have to be, it's sealed, but it's sealed at the other end. I just tape that on there so it keeps it nice and together. That can then go around to wherever I want. And then yeah, so that's my nozzle on the other end. So I've got about, I don't know, a metre or so of stuff. So then I can just go around and suck that up. And so yeah, so hopefully we should be all go. I just got to make that so that's just going to slide into there like that, and then that'll just fit in like that. So hopefully it should be all go. It's all welded up on the outside edge there, so that's all good. Should be all sealed. I just got to come up with an idea just to seal that front edge where where this meets that. Seal it in there. I don't think it'll be good enough at the moment to seal it up properly. Yeah. Alright, I'll come back when I've sorted it a bit more and yeah, give you an update. Alright, thank you.